Want to make a QR code for Snapchat in Unicode? It sounds simple, but if you've tried, you might have hit a few roadblocks. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps, point out some important limitations, and by the end, I'll also show you a better alternative with an exclusive extended free trial. So, let's get straight into it. First, log into your Unicode dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but keep in mind, Unicode is a premium service. There's no free plan, and even their free trial requires credit card details. If you're just experimenting, that might be a deal breaker. Next, go to Create QR Code and select Website URL. Unlike Snapchat's built-in snap codes, Unicode doesn't have a direct Snapchat option, so you'll need to manually enter your Snapchat profile link. Just open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap the share icon, and copy your link. Then, paste your link into Unicode, customize your QR code's design, and download it. You can adjust the colors, add a logo, or change the shape, but remember, advanced features like dynamic tracking and analytics require a paid plan. One big downside? Unicode QR codes aren't optimized for Snapchat scanning. Unlike Snap codes, which instantly open your profile, Unicode-generated codes rely on Snapchat's in-app browser, adding an extra step for people trying to follow you. If you're using this for marketing, that extra friction means fewer people will actually follow through. So while Unicode works, it's not the best tool for the job. That's why I've added a link in the description for an exclusive, extended free trial to a better alternative, one that's actually built for Snapchat and makes the process way smoother. I've also included a few other options, depending on what you need, all with free trials. Check it out before you commit to anything paid. That's it for this one. Hope this helped. See you in the next video.